What's up guys, it's your boy Andre. We're back here again at the Harley-Davidson garage. Today, I'm going to show you how to create a more secure home base and increase security when trailering your motorcycle with the security anchor. This corrosion-resistant security anchor is designed to create a permanent anchor point to either the concrete floor of your garage or the bed of your truck or trailer. You can't go wrong when you use it with security chains and locks, such as our loop chain and disc brake and rotor lock, which are sold separately. Installation is super easy. It comes with the masonry drill bit and bolts that are needed to install it into concrete. And if you're planning on installing this product on your trailer or truck bed, we highly recommend purchasing the Harley-Davidson Security Anchor Installation Kit. For this and any other genuine Harley-Davidson products, visit harleydavidson.com or any authorized Harley-Davidson dealer. I'm Andre, Malama Pono, and we'll catch you next time.